Hello, I am going to recite a small poem. Let us preserve our nature. Let us learn from the river which flows silently throughout. She makes no noise like humans do, always fighting and complaining. We have lots to learn from the river flowing calmly. No hurry, no worry, all taken care of by God Himself. She never stops a minute in her flow. How many years now she is flowing, never tired nor stops. We humans walk a bit and sit down to rest for hours. Isn't it funny? Isn't it laziness? What we do is only polluting her purity, making her poisonous, where humans swim and glow. Her beautiful color, blue, changes to muddy shade, yet she never stops her rhythmic flow without any moaning. Aren't we doing harm to the beautiful nature God has gifted us with? She is, in her own time, merges with her mother, the beautiful sea, who is waiting for her daughter's arrival, and embrace her with all her motherly love. Thank you.